I also want to create a quick video to show how I would add a new article to Zotero. So if I wanted to ask Google something like, I can do that search, and if I find something that I want to add, for example, maybe this survey, I can just pull it up. And then because I have the Zotero connector installed within Chrome, I have this icon here. Sometimes it looks like a PDF, sometimes a folder, sometimes a document. I can just click that and it will go into my library that I was in last. If I want to change it to a particular folder in that library, I can choose that. I also like if I have a title of a resource that I'm looking for example, a national survey of undergraduates, I will try to find that in Scholar. They seem to have a better collection of metadata. So I can type in my browser, SCH tab, and paste in the name of the document I'm looking for. And it will come up with some choices. And that did not pull up the exact one. Maybe if I add quotes. And here is an item. It's not the whole article because I don't believe it's peer reviewed, but it will give me a citation and I can add, here's the folder. If there were many hits on that page, I would have check boxes and I can select a few. I can do that. If I wanted to go back to this list and say, well, this is the second one. Actually, this does look to be similar. I can select this one and I can say I want the second one here and maybe the, well, let's go for the medical student perceptions as well. And we will add both of those. It will add directly to COVID because that's where I was at last. And you'll notice that these have also added a full text version of the PDF. Now, if I go back into my desktop app for Zotero, and I can then sort by date, or actually date modified is what I want to look at. Here's the ones that I've added today, the 4 of them. These 2 do seem to be online, and the metadata shows that this is a book. It's not truly a book. So the metadata is only as good as what is in the record. It's actually a report. So I should be, I can merge these 2 items, and I believe it may not have merged. They must all be of the same type. So I'm going to change the one from a book to a report, highlight the 2 of them, right click and merge. And so they are now, after I hit merge, they are now one item. I can right click on the attachment, and because I have Zot file installed, I can rename the file from the metadata, and it will automatically take on the title of the author, date, and the title. Any other questions? Please let me know. There's a lot to it. I only scratched the surface. Thanks.